Lessons from the Art of Seduction, How to be Effortlessly Charming. We've all encountered individuals in our lives endowed with a special charisma. These are the ones who effortlessly captivate us through their words, actions, or mere presence. You may find yourself pondering, how do they manage it, or questioning if there's a hidden recipe for such magnetism. Robert Greene delves into the realms of charm, allure, and attraction in his book, The Art of Seduction. It goes beyond romantic seduction, offering insights into influencing and captivating people in diverse ways. If you're acquainted with Robert Greene's body of work, you'll appreciate his skill in dissecting intricate human interactions and presenting them in a digestible manner. The Art of Seduction not only imparts charming techniques but also introduces readers to various seducer archetypes and their distinct qualities. Before delving further, it's crucial to clarify that the seduction discussed in this book doesn't involve deceit or manipulation. Rather, it revolves around comprehending human nature and leveraging that understanding to forge meaningful connections. Essentially, it's about mastering the arts of allure, persuasion, and charm. In this video, we'll explore the key lessons from The Art of Seduction and explore how you can apply them to charm virtually anyone. 1. The psychology behind seduction. Seduction is a game of psychology, not beauty, and it is within the grasp of any person to become a master at the game. All that is required is that you look at the world differently, through the eyes of a seducer. At its essence, seduction transcends physical appearances. Contrary to the common belief that beauty is the primary factor in seduction, it actually revolves around a profound comprehension of human psychology and behavior. The key lies in discerning what motivates individuals and responding in a manner that fosters a closer connection. Adopting the perspective of a seducer involves a shift in mindset, emphasizing how you engage with others and your surroundings rather than fixating on your reflection. This outlook transforms everyday interactions into opportunities for connection and allure. Mastering the art of seduction is accessible to anyone, irrespective of whether they are a model or a movie star. It centers on cultivating a deeper understanding of people, their aspirations, and motivations. Once you grasp this, the world unfolds in a new light, enabling more profound and authentic connections. Engaging in seduction entails being attuned to others, perceiving subtle cues, and making them feel acknowledged and understood. It is about captivating them not through external beauty but through genuine intrigue and understanding. 2. The competitive nature of desire. Desire is both imitative, we like what others like, and competitive, we want to take away from our rivals what they have. This sense of rivalry makes people compete for the attention. The concept of desire has intriguing facets. Firstly, there's the imitative aspect of desire, where we often covet what others seem to enjoy. Consider the latest fashion trends or popular vacation spots. Once a few individuals express enthusiasm, others tend to follow suit. This mirrors the imitative nature ingrained in human behavior. Additionally, desire has a competitive dimension. Have you ever observed how something becomes more attractive when there's a hint that someone else might acquire it? This stems from a deeper longing, not just for the inherent value of an item, but also for the satisfaction of possessing something others cannot. This exclusivity adds an extra layer of allure. The competitive aspect of desire extends beyond material possessions, it also manifests in the realm of seduction. Naturally, people strive for attention, particularly from individuals perceived as a prize. The prospect of gaining someone's attention, especially in competition with perceived rivals, can be exhilarating. Recognizing this, a skilled seducer can subtly leverage this competitive nature, presenting themselves as a coveted prize that many desire. This strategic approach amplifies their allure, prompting others to vie even more fervently for their attention. 3. The power of mystery. There is too much anxiety in the world today to reveal everything about yourself all at once. Mystery is a powerful weapon in the game of seduction, and any kind of pursuit is made sweeter when there are layers of obstacles to overcome. The allure of mystery has persisted over time. In a world where oversharing is the norm, exercising a bit of restraint can be remarkably refreshing. Consider this, if someone shares their entire life story in the initial conversation, where does the intrigue lie? What remains to be discovered? Mystery injects depth into interactions, captivating people and sparking their curiosity. They become eager to spend more time with you, eager to uncover the stories and experiences you've kept concealed. This dynamic fosters active engagement and deeper connections. In the realm of seduction, this unfolds gracefully. By holding back from revealing everything up front, you transform into a puzzle awaiting resolution. People are drawn to puzzles, they relish the challenge, the pursuit, and the eventual satisfaction of unraveling the mystery. Nevertheless, striking a balance is crucial. While a touch of mystery can be tantalizing, excessive secrecy might convey a sense of distance. The optimal approach involves revealing just enough to arouse curiosity, enticing others to draw closer and discover more. 4. Being a source of pleasure. People who have experienced a certain kind of pleasure in the past will try to repeat or relive it. The more you are seen as a source of pleasure, the more people will try to hold on to you. Many of our actions are propelled by the pursuit of pleasure. We naturally gravitate towards things, experiences, and individuals that elicit feelings of happiness. Once we discover something that brings us joy or satisfaction, the inclination to seek more of it is only natural. This explains our preferences for certain foods, music, or vacation destinations, a perpetual quest for that delightful sensation. This principle extends to human interactions as well. If someone associates you with positive emotions, laughter, and enjoyable moments, they naturally develop a desire to spend more time with you. It's not about being an entertainer but about creating authentic instances of happiness and connection. In a world filled with challenges, being a source of positivity and pleasure for someone acts like a beacon, drawing them closer. They link you with those joyful moments and will consistently seek your company. Being a source of pleasure doesn't necessitate grand gestures, it's found in the small moments, a kind word, a shared joke, or simply being there when needed. By ensuring that your interactions predominantly exude positivity and enjoyment, you solidify your position in someone's life as a cherished companion. 5. The pitfalls of insecurity. Anti-seducers are insecure. Feeling that they are not lovable, they become either too passive or too active. Insecurity can manifest in diverse ways, and within the realm of seduction, it frequently emerges as a significant obstacle. Anti-seducers, as the term implies, inadvertently repel people due to their deeply rooted feelings of inadequacy. At their core, they harbor a belief that they are unworthy of love or attention. This sense of unlovability typically gives rise to two distinct behavioral patterns: passivity or hyperactivity. Those who adopt passivity often withdraw, steering clear of interactions due to a fear of rejection or the assumption that they won't be interesting or engaging enough for others. This self-imposed isolation only intensifies their feelings of unworthiness. On the flip side, some individuals overcompensate for their insecurities by adopting an overly active or forceful approach in their interactions. They might come across as desperate, constantly seeking validation, or putting in excessive effort to impress. This behavior can be overwhelming for others and often achieves the opposite effect of what is intended. Ultimately, the key to being a successful seducer lies in finding a balance, recognizing one's worth while also being authentic in interactions. 6. Effortless influence. To be an object of desire is to influence others without trying. Experiencing the sensation of being desired holds immense power. It not only provides a sense of validation but also grants you a subtle influence over others without requiring conscious effort. When individuals are attracted to you, there's a natural inclination to hold your opinions and feelings in high regard, often occurring without their awareness. Consider how you might behave around someone you find appealing or admirable. There's an inherent desire to please them, align with their viewpoints, or seek their approval. This isn't about manipulation but rather stems from the authentic allure that a desirable person exerts on those in their proximity. Influence that arises effortlessly is the most potent form. It doesn't rely on overt persuasion or forceful arguments; instead, it manifests as a subtle, almost magnetic pull that draws people toward you. They become more receptive to your perspectives, more attuned to your needs, and more enthusiastic about engaging with you. This type of influence doesn't center on control, it thrives on mutual respect and admiration. When harnessed appropriately, it has the potential to foster deep, meaningful connections with others, where both parties feel seen, understood, and valued. 7. Radiate from within. The first step in the process of seduction is to become an object of desire, to shine with an inner radiance that stirs people's dormant senses. We've all encountered someone capable of illuminating a room, not necessarily due to physical appearance, but because of a certain energy they emanate. This inner radiance stands out as a powerful tool in the realm of seduction, awakening latent feelings and sensations within people. This inner radiance stems from a foundation of self-assuredness and genuine contentment, reflecting a comfort with oneself and an acceptance of who they are. Individuals possessing this quality naturally attract others towards them. It's comparable to being a beacon in a dimly lit space. People gravitate towards warmth, light, and positive energy, and this attraction has little to do with physical attributes. It revolves around an inner glow, a zest for life that proves infectious. In the journey of seduction, cultivating this inner radiance emerges as perhaps the most pivotal step. Possessing it makes attracting others a natural consequence. People will be drawn to your presence, eager to bask in your light and engage with the positivity you bring. 8. Validate, not compete. The world is full of people who are determined to be right and certain. To seduce, you need to move in the opposite direction. Individuals who consistently insist on being right, overpower others with their opinions, or adopt a predatory approach often find themselves distancing those in their surroundings. While they might garner fleeting attention, it doesn't translate into the kind of interaction that fosters genuine connections or enduring relationships. On the contrary, seduction demands a gentler, more nuanced strategy. It involves understanding, listening, and empathizing. Rather than constantly seeking to lead, there are times when it's essential to allow others to assume control, express themselves, and feel genuinely valued. Conclusion. Charm is a skill that we can enhance through practice and the wisdom imparted by Robert Greene's book. The Art of Seduction extends beyond mere romantic advice, it serves as a manual on how to establish profound connections with others. Let's internalize these lessons and aspire to turn every interaction into a memorable experience. Ultimately, a world characterized by increased understanding and connection is a world we all desire to be part of. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.